construction. In recent years, it had nearly decayed, faded away completely, really. But a dedicated group of historians rebuilt it piece by piece, giving the building a new future and travelers a reason to stop once again.
New purpose to two restored artifacts.
Well, the depot was built in 1879 in Cragville, Indiana, which is down by Ossian, by an individual who was very, very proud of what he was doing, and that's the reason he created it in such an architectural, jewel.
After 3 decades of use, it went through bouts of vacancy, even at one point used by a telephone company. In 1979, a railway enthusiast bought and moved it outside New Haven, where it operated on a smaller scale, giving kids train rides. When that owner died, Steininger was tasked with saving it.
I wasn't sure it was salvageable, but we did. First thing we had to do was pick it up and get it out of there. So we moved it down the road into this warehouse at Casad. And we had it in there then for 3 years. And that's when we completely stripped it down, took all the parts off, had them reproduced by an Amish woodworker. Beautiful work. You can see, matter of fact, there's some of this laying right here now. So we had that done, and that over the last 3 years. And it's now been, we moved it here, built a foundation last fall.